Hello everybody, Sophia here, your licensed and registered speech language pathologist, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to teach your kiddies the difference between yes and no. Now, some of the prerequisites for this is to make sure that your child is able to gesture and imitate. So what does that mean? That means that your kiddo needs to be able to wave hello and goodbye, ask for something with their hand using their gestures, and of course copy you as well. That is very important. So if your kiddo matches all of these, then you're welcome to go ahead and start with being able to work on the yes and no. Now, of course, very important that you collect all the things that your child absolutely loves, their favorite. So what I've got right here is a plushy little toy, and also food. Food is very good and recommended when working on therapy. I've got a granola bar here. So you can choose whatever it is that your little one really likes and just work on that with him. It can be a banana, maybe a favorite fruit, or a granola bar as well, or a biscuit. And then what I've done is, you're welcome to download these, but I've just created a very simple green, orange for yes, and a big tick in the middle. So we are providing a visual cue for the little one, and then we always have to exaggerate. You have to exaggerate, all right? So make sure you don't just do yes. You have to be, yes, that is exactly how you need to show it. And of course, here we go, and we ask a question, and you ask the little one, do you want your granola bar? Yes. And of course, the child's going to want to reach out and grab your granola bar from your hand, but what you need to do is take the hand, guide the hand to the visual cue, put it on the visual cue and say yes, and then of course reward with the granola bar. The same thing can be done with the favorite plushie toy. You know it's bedtime, you know the little one's going to be asking for it, and you need to have something that they want. So you come up to them and you say, would you like your little plushie toy? Yes. And then you guide the hand, put it on the visual cue, and of course reward with a toy straight away. My advice is to work on yes first, and then once your little one is able to say yes, then you can move on to the no. So of course you can use something like, do you want an onion? No. And then of course do the same thing, guide the hand onto the visual cue, and then of course do not give the onion to them. And that is how you do it, everybody. So good luck and hope this works. Remember to practice first the yes, then the no, and then you can do the two together. Thank you. Bye.